Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How are you doing? Well, how would you like to come to historic downtown Waco for a weekend, get to meet me, hang out with me? Let's go have a coffee at my favorite coffee spot in downtown Waco, down from my business office. Come to the studio, show you how I work, what I do in my process of making lessons. We can have breakfast at Magnolia Table on the Circle in Waco, have lunch at my favorite lunch place, and have dinner at a nice restaurant in downtown Waco as well. We can also play some fun music. We can have personalized lessons. You can watch me and my family do a gig on Saturday night. We play and we like to rock out, and you can join in with us if you want to. Sit in with us, play, or sing. If you're not that good, that's okay. We can carry you, okay? It'll just be a fun weekend. We're flexible on what we would do. I'd love you to have come in the studio as well and do a podcast with me, just talk about music. It'd just be a fun time to get to know some of you and have a great time in our wonderful city of Waco. If you want to do that, that sounds like something you'd like to do, email me at easypianolessons@yahoo.com. That's EASY, piano lessons, plural, at yahoo.com. And let me know if you'd like to do that and we can get the ball rolling. Talk to you soon.